Hi guys, how are we doing? Welcome to my weekly analysis video. How are you guys doing? I told you guys that DXY was going to be bullish. I hope you guys were able to catch most of this. If you're able to catch them, congratulations. I predicted the market and it did exactly what we said. So if you are very patient and you understand how the market works, I believe you should have made some money. So right now, I believe DXY is now in a zone where it might react to come a little bit down because it has some gaps here it needs to fill. One thing we must point out is the market can decide to do anything it wants. But based on what we have here so far, right, it is actually showing sign of rejection from the block. So that can mean an end to the sales we've been taking. We have gotten in on a lot of sales over the week. If you've been watching my video, watch my last year video, watch the first video of the year, you will see me telling you about all these sales. You could have made a lot of pips and money from this if you were following. But nevertheless, I think we are in a zone that is actually reacting at the moment, which is this other block. So we've had the push, but it will come lower, I think, to the 1 hour, right? After it entered the zone, it just broke this structure. This was the last low that came in here. And it has broken it and has given us some sort of another block here. So I am in presently on Friday, but then there are a lot of chances you could have used in getting in. If you took the higher entry here too, with your stop loss at a safer place, you should still be in. So I still believe this is going up higher, but you should learn how to trail, right? This is the ultimate goal we are expecting. We're expecting it to come here at least. So let's use the 4 hours for this. So we are expecting the market to do point A to point B, right? And come to TP1 right here. That's the ultimate goal. This is almost 1:21 trade. So I'm going to hold for a very long time. But nevertheless, I will be trailing my stop. So as it's moving higher, I'll be moving the stop loss. And the market might decide to come in tomorrow and spike me out first before going. I will join in on the buy again because I am sure it's going to buy. The only reason that will make me not buy anymore is if this low gets taken out. If this low gets taken out, then I will watch what the market is doing again. Or if it doesn't, we ride it out. Same thing for GU. GU, we have another block down here. So I'm expecting this to actually come here and fill this gap before going up. But then, like I said, the market can decide to do whatever it wants. So you can decide to start going up from here. So because the DXY is actually ready, you can see it's actually at the point and we decide to start shooting down this coming week. So make sure you're careful. I will be bullish on AUDUSD. I will be bullish on GU because I am bearish on DXY. So that's what I have. I gave a trade last week to my students. I believe they should have gotten the TP. It was a very sweet trade. Point A to point B, just the same thing. But I am still in. I have not closed the trade yet. This was our TP1. And that one is hit. This was our TP1. It already hit our TP1, right? And I am actually set to get out of the trade here. So I am trailing my stop though. So if it decides to reverse, I'm good. So it's just a very clean trade I saw on AJ and I sent to them. It broke structure here, came for a demand zone and is moving up. I think, and I caught a sell on EJ too. So this did a point A to point B and is at TP2 of the higher time frame. So it will go down to like, I think, was it the 15 minutes? Yeah, 15 minutes. Yeah, perfect. So you could see This literally, after hitting TP2, broke structure and came back for another block, then went low, really low. This was a 1:6.2. I got that last week too. But then, like I said, always wait for your confirmation. If I am not seeing any confirmation, I won't get in and let me trade. So far so good. On the higher time frame, I believe this is a supply zone the market is at right now. So the ultimate goal is to wait for this trend line to be taken out. Then I can decide to sell. If not, I'm going to stay my hand. Same thing for GJ. I am waiting because we have a break of this trend line that was holding for 2 times and the market is right there and it has rejected. So I will be waiting to see what the market has in stock for this. It has disobeyed this other block area. So I will be waiting to see what the market has in plan for this. If I get my confirmation this coming week, a real confirmation where for instance, I have a break of a low here already, but I will actually be interested in this low being taken out. If this low can be taken out, I'll find a supply zone to join it and sell down a bit. But without that confirmation, I'm not going. Same thing for this trend line too. This will be the ultimate confirmation. So if this can be broken and retested, just like EJ, broken and retested, then we can write down because it's at the TP2 already. So that's what I have. EURGBP did not come back for us, guys. It did not. It left us completely and kept going down. So we just have to wait, although it has given us another trade right here. So this will be my new lookout because it has just broken another low. Right, I'm doing this live so you can see. So let's just remove this to here. No, let's just put another one. So we have a break of a low here. Good. So perfect. I like this. So we will be moving you, my brother, down here. You will be the ultimate target there. Stay there. So this coming week, if EURGBP decides to tap into this, I'll be more than willing, right, to join in on the sell. So my ultimate target will be my FIB TP1. So perfect. You could see this is actually our 79. So it's actually a good area for the market to come to and react, right? So I like it. I like the setup. So this will be what I'll be looking out for this coming week. I will be looking out for it. Yeah. Perfect. So if the market can decide to tap us in, I will take it and continue the write down because automatically, if we are to check this, this has turned to a liquidity that will be swiped this coming week. So the market is going to take out this liquidity, tap into this zone, and you can give this a little bit of space. Let's use, yeah, let's do 17. I think 17 pips stop loss is fine. Yeah. So it won't be too tight. So the 1:5.073. Clean. So if it taps in me in, I'll write it down because I just have a break of a low. So the market can decide to tap us in and move. So get ready for that too. So I've given you one free trade right now. I just analyzed it while doing the video. I've not done it before. So take good use of that opportunity and make sure you wait for it. So that's what I have for you guys. I will be waiting for my AU I'm already in, but if I have another break of structure to the high side and a demand zone, I will join another trade. GU, I'm waiting for it down here, just like I told you. I have a gap I'm expecting it to fill, then the ride up. And I think that will be all. I think that will be all. Yeah. GBPUSD is not ready. AUDCHF is not ready. So that's all I have, guys. That's all I have. EURGBP, I'm expecting to sell. AU, I'm expecting to buy. GU, I'm expecting to buy. EJ, I'm expecting to sell, but I need a confirmation. GJ, I'm expecting to sell, but I need a confirmation. Thank you, guys. Thanks for sticking to the channel. If you want to learn this, it's a very simple process. It's very easy to understand. You just need a guidance. Someone to show you what's, it's just like 2 + 2 = 4, sincerely. But without someone that has passed through the stages, you just keep learning so many strategies. You can't learn them all. In fact, it's just leads to confusion at the end of the day. But the simple market structure strategy is the best, and I can take you through it. Reach out to me, and I will be of help. Thank you guys once again. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.